Hope it's cooked. A turkey.
Okay, it's clawing me.
Hello and welcome to my cooking show. I'm not going to teach you anything useful. I'm just going to take you on the journey with me of me doing something for the first time ever. Cooking a turkey. Yes, a turkey. I have just got over COVID, but Ben, my husband, is still positive. So we're celebrating Christmas, just the two of us, the three of us, just the three of us, together. And that means that for the first time, I can't rely on my mum-in-law to cook the turkey, and I have to do it myself. Also, very kindly, my mum-in-law Debbie has donated a spare turkey that she had in the freezer, and Ben's brother, my brother-in-law Dan, drove it up with all of their food. Thank you so much. However, that turkey is 8 kilos. It serves 15 to 18 people. All we're going to be eating for the next 2 weeks is turkey. I am hoping that I can cook it well for it not to be too dry. Wish me luck. Let me just show you the turkey. This is for the two of us. So it's Christmas Eve and I need to prepare the stuffing, prep the turkey, get it ready so then I can stick it in the morning straight away in the oven. It's big. This is a lot of turkey. Don't even think about it. Turkey needs to rest on the side and then dry up. And I don't know how we're going to do it with this cat. Okay, I'm going to do the stuffing. Stuff it up. So the turkey is stuffed. There's some butter under the skin and bacon all over it. So we're going to pack it away for the night. Firstly, I wanted to test if they're actually going to fit in the oven. So. Yay, just about. Merry Christmas! It's 10 o'clock and that means my baby, my 8 kilogram baby turkey needs to go into the oven. Ta-da! Okay. This was fun. Ooh. Wow, would you look at that? That's all I cooked to you. Good, time for turkey to come out. Big strong Ben. That's our turkey, that's the stuffing, that's the bacon, and that's the turkey. And here comes the turkey. Oh Jesus, I hope it's not super dry. I hope it's cooked.
Ow! Okay, it's clawing me. Good.
Ooh, that looks quite moist. Or is it dry?
No, it's good.
Are you just being nice to me?
No, I'm just focusing because it's a big turkey. Alright.
Hello, hello, ho ho. It's a moment of truth. We have gathered here, the two of us. I'm not worried about the sides because that's just a typical roast. But I'm hopeful that my turkey is moist enough. Have I shown you my battle scars? This is from Turkey. So worth it. Merry Christmas. Oh. Yeah. 2 days after Christmas. How big was our turkey?
Crispy.
How big were the wings?
About 6 times the size of a chicken's.
On the scale of dry to moist, where was the turkey?
It was perfectly cooked.
Aww. Are you just saying this because you're worried you get in trouble if you don't say that?
No, I don't even have to pretend.
Aww.
It's sincere. Also trying to avoid using the word moist. Hence I said it's perfectly cooked.
So how many more meals do you think we're going to be eating with this turkey?
Well, we've already had 2.
Tonight, Ben cooked turkey curry for us and it was delicious.
And for breakfast we had turkey fried egg.
Turkey fried egg, very good breakfast.
Um,
We had turkey sandwiches. So how many
and
more
some
meals?
thigh meat. I would say 5 more meals.
A lot of meals from a beautiful, perfectly well cooked, apparently, turkey. I nailed it, but I don't want to do it again for a while, so I'm looking forward to next Christmas where my mum-in-law will cook us beautiful, perfectly cooked, very moist turkey. Thanks for watching.